Well, guess what? My dad is the creator of Animal Company and Gorilla Tag.
Shut the fuck up, you nigga.
What?
Language.
Oh my god, it's a ghost!
Coda is a different person than Lemmy.
No, my dad's the creator of Gorilla Tag and Animal Company.
No, he's not. He's a loser.
He's the creator of both. Yes! He is! Give me shiny rocks! Give me shiny rocks! Where are my shiny rocks? I'm telling my dad. You guys made my dad slap me! You guys made my dad slap me!
I got 27.
Stupid nigger.
Oh my god! Yeah! I hate gay people.
You're the dumbass.
You're done!
Are you fucking dumbass?
Give me shiny rocks!
Damn conversation.
Green! Give me shiny rocks! Give me shiny
This
rocks!
toxicity is wild.
Give me shiny rocks! Give me shiny rocks! I said give me shiny rocks! Give me shiny rocks!
My name is Bobby.
I'm gonna tell my mommy. I'm gonna tell my mommy if you don't give me shiny rocks. And my mommy is the creator of Scary Baboon.
Don't tell your mom. Don't tell your mom, or else I'm gonna shoot you. Don't tell
I'm
your
telling my
mom.
mommy!
No one had you. You're disappointed with family.
You're so mean!
Come here.
I'm only 4 years old! I'm only 4 years old!
Good.
I just came out the womb! I remember when I was in my mother.
Yo, somebody come here. Somebody come here. Go.
Cross!
Come over here. Yo.
And my
Can you teach me how babies are made?
Can you revive me at least? We're chill.
Can you teach me how babies are made?
Dude, I'm just a chill guy, please.
Can you tell me how babies are made?
I love how echoing it. You're a mini bikini.
Zombies are mean!
Yeah, you're mean.
Stop! It's not funny! It's not funny!
Oh, sticky.
I'm gonna steal my mom's credit card. I'm gonna steal my mom's credit card.
Okay. Get away from the body after getting shot.
Mommy! You know what? Sperm bubbles up your gut.
Stinky.
Thank you for not taking
Myself, I don't want you.
I said give me shiny rocks. This is what happened.
Like I did.
Yeah.
Just bought that.
Hey, bro, fight.
Rocks.
But this is crazy.
That actually game is
Axolotl. How do you get shiny rocks in this game?
You gotta leave the game and join Gorilla Tag. There are no shiny rocks.
I don't have Gorilla
The
Tag.
game currency are called nuts, company coins, and research points.
No one can.
I remember when I was in a nut.
Guys, update your games. Update your games. The update came out.
And
I need to buy the $10 monthly subscription.
and what game?
And
What game?
Gorilla
Alright, let's see if this kid's lying.
It's coming out tomorrow.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, he's lying. He's lying.
Who's playing Steel Brain on admin abuse?
Yo,
Absolutely nobody.
What do you mean?
Steel Brain Heart is probably the worst game ever.
it is.
What do you mean?
Pink, you have an echo.
Yeah, I don't like hearing my voice.
I like your marble.
Somebody fight. Shut up.
Oh my god, it's a camera mod.
Yes, get that. Let's
How do you get that?
Get what?
The camera.
This?
Yeah, the green one. I want one.
Purple.
What was that?
I want one.
Obviously your parents left you.
No, I didn't. I'm still in the ball sack right now. I'm still in my mommy's belly.
She said that. She don't love you. Somebody's a price on one thing. Anybody want to 1v1?
I have SpongeBob bubbles. Give me shiny rocks.
What's up, nigga? You can have this.
Daisy, give me your residue. I'm playing
I'm Red Watch. Red Watch.
Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Your mom is a ho ho ho.
Mommy!
Not yours.
Do you still believe in Santa Claus?
Three. Yeah, that's
Axolotl,
not the real Santa.
Axolotl, do you believe in Santa Claus?
Yes.
Same!
Nobody wants the battle.
Like whoever doesn't believe in Santa, you're a stinky butt.
You're a stinky butt!
Hey!
Stop it!
Niggas.
You're so racist!
Can somebody give me one quick round of ball?
Mommy! Mommy?
Take that, buddy. A heart gun?
Mommy? Mommy? Are you here? Mommy? I'm scared! I'm scared! Yeah! How do I get out? I get closer. The more I hear the sound, the more closer I am. Shiny rocks. No! Oh, this is gonna take a long time. Unless I can pinch calm down. I'm gonna try to do that. Give me shiny rock! Oh god. That voice is gonna hurt my throat. I mean, anything for the views. Right? Anyone even watching this?
Don't mess with me. I have the Coca-Cola gun.
Guys, I'm at the top of stump!
I don't have enough.
Give me shiny rocks! Give me shiny rocks! Give me shiny rocks! You're mine! You wanna be my friend?
Bro, I didn't find bro.
You're gonna give me shiny rocks!
I have his brother.
I want shiny rocks! Give me shiny rocks!
Careful, you can't get him. You can't get him. He's a red wash. He's red
I
wash.
want it!
Do it!
I want it! Black!
I'm better than you at this game.
Black!
You're in safe zone
Give me!
now.
Give me! Give
Well,
me!
you killed me.
No!
That does not make you feel
Black! Can you give me seal?
That's not how that
Do you
works.
think is this rare?
No! I want it!
No.
This is rare right now, but you can only get this off mine servers, bro. I am not gonna get this to you.
Please! I'll tell my mommy! And she's the owner of Gorilla Tag. My mom's the creator of Gorilla Tag. What's this? What's this place?
Annihilate him.
Guys, look what I
Where do you
made.
think you're going, Timmy?
It's a weapon slash.
I'm behind you. Oh!
Look at that. Look at
I want shiny rocks!
that. Yes, Charlie.
How do I get full ass man?
No!
Can I get that? How do I attach that to my big old forehead?
Do I sound like a man?
No, you sound like I need goop. I need goop. I need
Cause I'm 8 years old! I turned 7 years old yesterday. I turned 7 years old yesterday.
Do you be yelling out bang bang? Do you bang bang?
Little bro, you're supposed to be 13 and older to play the game. 12 and 11. 12 and 11 are like acceptable.
I don't care!
Blue is a stinky guy, am I right?
Cause I want shiny
I'm talking to
rocks.
myself.
Little bro, if your mom always lives out, you know how to get shiny rocks.
Dude, my mom
No,
never
you're a
tells
mean
me
guy.
cause she's mean.
Yeah,
Call her mommy, you weirdo.
Yeah, I do. What's wrong?
Yeah, no, he's not allowed to say
Mom, mom, that's crazy.
You're so mean.
They call her mom, not mommy. Say mommy.
I'm gonna go back to playing on my iPad on Steal a Brain Rot.
There's no way this kid is real.
I do!
No, you don't.
He's pretty real.
A little too real.
I'm 8 years old! And I have an iPad!
Don't play the game. Hey, look at my weapon. Look at my weapon.
You know what? Bumble
So booty.
Watch your tone! Wait. Hey! You need to watch your tone, mister. Go back to playing Steal a Brain Rot, like I do.
Your brain watch the worst game ever.
What are you so mean?
Don't bring my air.
Don't record me!
No, it's not. According to me, it's not.
It isn't. Thank you.
No, it's actually the worst game ever.
No, you mean!
Black, where are you?
Get back here! Why shiny rocks? No! Daddy!
What? Yo, someone was just called Daddy by a little boy.
String season, boys.
I want him!
You can't get shiny rocks in this game, little boy.
Bro. You want a gun? You want a gun? You want it? I'm on like 6
I want it! I want it! I'm 8 years old and Steel of Ragnarok's my favorite game.
Yeah, we can tell.
You know who Tralalero Tralala is?
Yeah, he's your friend. I know the actor of you.
That's probably your girlfriend.
Yeah, he is! Tralala! Oh my god, it's Tralalero Tralala.
This generation's absolutely fried chicken.
No, I'm not fried chicken. I'm fried turkey.
No, but that's not funny.
I'm the
No, I'm calling my mommy.
I'm the evil Adon.
I'm telling my mommy.
I'm your daddy.
No, don't tell
Yeah, tell
Lenny.
your daddy that you're being a bad
I'm
boy.
the evil Adon.
No, please no. Please no.
gonna tell her.
Let's stop playing Steel Brain Rot and maybe we won't.
No, it's the best game ever.
And you're acting like you're a baby. I'm gonna drill them cheeks.
Dad, you better
I'm
back
gonna drill them cheeks. Acting like you're a baby and babbling.
Dude, I'm a gangster. I have a bike with training wheels, and you don't.
Yeah, that's
Hello, buddy.
I have a bike with training wheels.
Where's the person that I stole the drill from? Where's the person that I stole the drill from? Wait, where's the guy? Where's the
My
kid?
dad was talking to another
You
woman.
think you can be quiet and shut up?
No, I want the secret lucky block.
Your mic sucks. Be quiet.
I don't have a mic.
That's your
No.
bro.
No, I don't. I want shiny rocks.
Bro, I'm gonna blow up the whole entire server because of you.
I want shiny rocks.
I swear I'm gonna make
Hold on.
I'm voting on the school.
What do you mean?
I'm recording right now.
Why are you recording me?
Yeah, we're reporting you to the game. You're getting banned, you're getting banned.
No!
Yeah, you're getting banned, buddy.
I'm gonna tell my dad to ban you from.
I'm just recording a meta video, bro.
I'm gonna tell my dad.
Stay back. Stay tuned.
I'm gonna tell my dad to ban you from Steel a Brain Rot.
He broke his controller. He broke his controller.
You want to see me really break my controller? Fine.
I really made him break his controller, bro.
There's no way I
It doesn't work.
His mic
I'm the Minecraft god. 7-year-old. Yo, what's up? Everyone, take an RPG to blow up pink. Everyone, take an RPG to blow up pink. I want you to rage bait that kid right here. Rage bait pink right here. Grab an RPG, everyone. We're going to blow up pink. I'm the Minecraft
Bomb the
god.
builder to fix this. Bomb the builder fixed it.
Wait, you gonna report me to Discord? You're gonna report me to Discord,
I'm
huh?
reporting you to Sammy, and he's gonna ban you from Steel a Brain Rot forever.
Bro, I don't play
Steel Brain Rot's the worst game ever.
Oh god. It hurt my voice. Oh god. Hold on. Yep. My voice is all good. Right, I sound like I'm narrating for a commercial. Ford. Truck brand you love. Truck brand you love. And someone said I was a grown man. I found 8. What are you saying? I'm back! Woo!
Please, can I talk? Can I talk?
I'm back!
I'm off.
Colorado Trolala!
Yeah,
I can draw better than you!
Bro, shut up. You ain't gonna ban us. You don't even know how to report, bro.
I'm gonna tell Sammy, and you're never gonna be able to play Steel Brain Rot ever again.
I don't play Steel Brain Rot.
What? He's gonna ban you from Roblox forever and ever. And Gorilla Tag.
Roblox. I'm already banned from it.
You know what? He's gonna ban you from Gorilla Tag and Animal Company.
Bruh, no you're not, bro.
Yes,
He doesn't own everything, bro.
He owns everything.
Shut up.
My dad.
stand back, dropping the nuke on pink, target spotted.
Target spotted! Kill the pink dude! Kill the pink dude!
Can I tell you my address?
Kill the pink dude! He's the automatic target! Put it there, I said!
No, I want one. Ah! I don't have a real voice. I date anime girls.
That is the original one.
I'm probably
You are a girl!
No, I'm a boy.
Yeah, that's just...
I just got done with my homework, dude. Addition is
You still do homework?
Dude, I'm literally in the 1st grade.
Bro, that makes it more embarrassing. I'm just gonna eat it.
At least I'm not in kindergarten.
Yeah, you act like a kindergartner though.
No, I want shiny rocks.
Bro! That's
If you play Steel Brain Rot, you're clearly a 5-year-old.
No, I'm not. I'm 8.
Gorilla Tag.
Then why you voice them like that?
I thought you said you turned 7 yesterday.
No, it turned 8 yesterday. Yesterday.
You literally said it a while ago, bro.
Okay, fine. I'm 7.
The people actually, I know that.
I don't know if he paid my private service.
You know what? I'm 11.
You're
So I'm so old.
probably have parental controls.
Yes,
Every
I
time you pick something up, you always get that parental controls
do. Yes, I do. And so what?
because you're a little kid.
I'm playing on my brother's Pico 4.
Oh my god, bro.
Bro, stop talking about the other
rage
games,
quitting
bro.
right
You're
now.
gonna get copyrighted, bro.
No, I'm not.
Bro, look at this RPG I just made. Bro, look at
No,
the
I'm
RPG I just made. Bro, do you like this RPG I just made, guys?
If you can give,
Who has the colorful thingy?
please, can you give me a Mateo and Steel Brain Rot? Can you give me
Oh no.
Can you give me a Lavaca and Steel Brain Rot?
Shut up.
No, bro. The Walkers suck. I'm tired, bro.
I want one,
bro.
I want one. I want one now.
Wait, come here for a second.
Dang, bro, I ain't you serving.
I'm gonna give you this hook track to come here for a second.
Really?
Yes,
I
really.
think you're poor.
Really?
Yes.
On my mom.
More! Why did you bully me?
Bruh.
Why you keep bullying me?
Because.
I hear you, Coach.
Cause you're a 5-year-old and you play children.
Cause I do! And what's wrong?
Because.
Human Rock is the worst game ever.
Why do you love me?
You're right, Mr. Axolotl.
Axolotls are from Minecraft. I'm telling my dad, who's the creator of Minecraft, to sue you.
Okay, guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be annoying the slow kid.
No, you're not. I have aura. I have Butito Aura Tito.
Bro, you have negative aura.
No!
You have negative aura, bro.
Can I tell you my name? My name is Jaden.
Yeah, no wonder you're ugly. Wait, what's on the back of your
So
mom's credit
people
card?
at school call me Timmy Tough Knuckles.
Because you are Timmy Tough Knuckles.
You call me tough, thank you. I have a bump on my stomach. That means I'm muscular.
Bro, shut up. No, you don't. No, you don't, bro.
My eyes are turning red.
Guys, I need the bathroom. Like, no one go near the bathroom.
My eyes are turning red. My eyes are turning red.
Because you're getting a disease, bro. That's actually a disease. Like, actually, that's a disease, bro.
No, cause I'm angry. I'm angry.
Yeah, he has cancer.
Yep, he has cancer.
What's that?
I think I just pooped myself.
Mommy!
Yo, what did I just witness? Did anyone else just laugh like insane?
I didn't poop my pants. I gotta go tell my mom to I'm gonna tell mommy to change my diaper.
You're not funny, bud. You're not funny.
Mommy! Change my diaper!
Bro, shut up. Guys, no one go near the toilet after phone. No one go near the toilet. Dynamite! He's trying to fall.
Okay, y'all. My mommy just changed my diapers.
You think you're funny.
It had some
You
chocolate.
really think that you're funny, bro. You really think that.
It had chocolate on it. And I ate
Go
it.
near the toilet. I'm about to take a big dookie. Embarrassing, bro. Just stop embarrassing yourself, bro.
No! I want shiny rocks and Robux.
Yo, Paige, there's free waffles. Do you want free waffles?
No, I want 1 million V-Bucks. No, Robux.
I'll give you 1 million V-Bucks. Just come over here.
No, I want Robux.
I'll give you 1 million Robux if you come over here. You just gotta get it.
Kid.
I can't be a man kid.
Do not kill the Red Watch. He did it for a reason. He did it for a reason. Do not kill the Red Watch.
You idiot.
Hey you. Hey you. I think I can.
You were trying to kill me.
Hey, you want a tablet? You want a tablet? Hey, you want a tablet? You want a tablet?
I
You
want
want
a
a tablet?
tablet.
Yo, my grandma has better aim than you.
I think I can handle him.
Give me shiny rocks. Give me shiny rocks.
Hey, shut up. I'm gonna go poop.
Give me shiny rocks.
Yo, buddy. Pink. Pink, I have shiny rocks. Pink, I have shiny rocks. I have shiny rocks. Pink, I have shiny rocks. Look.
Really? Where?
Look.
Oh my god!
Follow me.
Shiny rocks.
Follow me. It's shiny rocks.
No way! I'm gonna be a really player!
Look at it.
Take a big dookie.
He's taking my shiny
Yeah,
rock!
come on, get him. Get him.
Yo.
No, it's his.
No!
Okay, it's okay, bro. It's okay, bro.
I got somebody. Alright, I'm sorry. You're gonna have it. I'm
Hey, yo,
sorry.
bro.
Give me shiny rocks!
Pink.
Hey, yo, bro.
Yo, Big, you can have it. I'm
What are
sorry.
you doing to me? Everyone, you can't report me.
Got him.
What's up, Skippy?
I'm telling my mommy.
3 and a 2 and a 1.
Tell my mom. No.
You tasty.
No, I'm not getting out.
Oh, shoot.
This is my server now. I paid 1 trillion V-Bucks for this.
1 million V-Bucks.
I did.
Why should I?
I just hit myself. You want me to go hit my baby sister? You want me to go hit my baby sister?
What's up, Skibbity? What's up, Skibbity?
You know what? I'm gonna beat up my baby sister.
Hey, okay.
Beat up, beat up.
Wait a minute. I want you to eat this.
No! I hit my baby.
Sorry, I'll never do that ever.
Wait, is that the new
shut up,
Pop Rock
shut up.
flavor? Is that the new Pop Rock
Pop
flavor?
Rocks! Wait, dude, don't drink it with soda.
This is the Pop Rocks. I got Pop Rocks.
I watched something on my iPad that
Follow me.
said, if you drink soda and Pop Rocks at 3 a.m., you die.
Shut up, bro.
We're gonna do that.
Bro, let me try the
Mommy!
He probably doesn't know what research points are. Hey,
No!
guys.
What does research mean?
My mommy told me this was a toy.
Big dude?
Anyway, y'all. Goodbye. And, see you in the next trolling vid.